Today we'll be discussing the importance of we farming or breeding these flies. The main importance of we farming as a livestock farmer or as an entrepreneur or as a hobbyist of farming this black soldier fly is to help or lower the cost of our livestock production. As soon as these flies lay within their short lifespan, they give eggs. One female flies lay between 500 to 1,200 eggs. And once these eggs are hatched, they give us a larva that is rich in protein that can be fed to our livestock. These larvae are rich in protein and it can substitute or replace soybean meal and fish meal in our livestock diet. Once we harvest our eggs from this fly, when the temperature is very low and the flies are less active, can harvest the eggs, incubate our eggs for 6 days, feed our neonates with waste for 10 to 12 days, and we get our larvae for our livestock. For those who want to propagate, they still feed the larvae for another 7 days for them to go get the pre-pupa. The pupa will go to the dark room for them to turn to pupa, and the pupa will enter the love net for them to still emerge into flies for the next circulation. That's just the simple process of breeding black soldier fly for us to have a continuous feed for our livestock. It is profitably once the knowledge is being acquired. That's just the life cycle. Egg, 2 neonates, 2 larvae. We feed the larvae to our livestock. We reserve some percentage if you want to breed. The percentage reserve we turn to pre-pupa. The pre-pupa we turn to pupa, and the pupa will emerge into flies. That is how you will be producing infinite feed, continuous feed for your livestock. For training, consultants, farm setup, feed formulation training using BSF, you can contact us on the number rolling on your screen. Thank you once again, and you welcome. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative, educative videos on this black soldier fly farming and lots more. Thank you once again, and you welcome.